Hey, what's up guys? Back here again, just doing a few odds and ends on the Volvo. Decided I wanted to paint my rockers and cover up a little bit of rust with some Pour 15, just because the rockers were starting to show a little bit of rust where the clips for the trim went, and I've decided to go a different route and fix up the trim and put it back on. Not on the doors though, just on the rockers, because I found some stuff while I was moving that I think will be a permanent fix to restoring it. Yeah, I've found a can of this stuff in my pile of junk. Bumper and cladding coat Permashine. Contains no silicone. Yeah, I'll let you guys read that. So it says it permanently rejuvenates the color and shine of textured automotive bumpers and trim panels. So I figured might as well give it a shot and use it on the Volvo and try to freshen up all the faded plastic. Yeah, I found this, and it was also next to a can of this plastic cleaner. So I think I bought these two at some point a while ago for some project that I had. But yeah, you give your plastic trim a deep clean with this, and it's gonna turn it really ugly and white. And then you hit it with a few coats of this and it should be back to black and perfect. And it shouldn't fade away after just a couple car washes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today, and we'll see how it looks. Maybe this is the permanent fix to all that ugly plastic trim. Now that the plastic trim's all cleaned up with the plastic cleaner, the next thing to do is mask off the areas I don't want this stuff to get onto and spray it on and see what happens. Well, I ran out of the can and I wasn't able to do all the trim, but I got the bumpers done. Next up, I'm just going to put that other rocker panel trim piece on using these clips. I need 26 of these things and I got them off Amazon for 25 bucks. I think they're made by MTC. And yeah, so you'll notice that the 415 is already on there. I did that a few days ago, so yeah, I'll just cut to a couple shots of that and you can kind of see what the process was for doing that. So that's it for today for the quickie little Volvo project. I think this stuff turned out pretty well. Seemed to freshen up the bumpers pretty good. I will give you an update in a few weeks or whenever I get a couple car washes in. But for now, I think it worked. We'll just have to see how permanent it is and if it's worth it to do the rest of the trim on here.